Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the different zoom options under the View menu in Google Vids. So you're in Google Vids and you want to make sure that things are clear and visible, they're big enough for you to see. If you go to View menu, you have three options down here. The canvas zoom will control how big the scenes appear that you're editing. That would be this right here. This is your canvas. So if we change canvas zoom, the default is typically fit. It's just going to assume you want to be able to see the scene along with everything else that's in there, but you can change this. If you go to 75%, it'll get a little bit bigger. You can even change it in this toolbar. Let's say 150, now it's huge. If I go back, change it back to fit, I also have other options. If I go to timeline zoom, timeline is this down here. The default behavior for the timeline zoom is also generally fit. The problem with that is if you have a lot of scenes, you're going to get scenes at the timeline that just look very condensed, but you can also adjust that. So if I go timeline 10%, or I can change it and do like 100%, and you'll notice now the scenes look way larger. You can also control that down here. So you can see you have different zoom options for that as well. And then finally, you can click on full screen if you want your canvas and your timeline to occupy the entire screen. You can do that. Keep in mind, to get out of full screen, you generally will have to hit escape to get out of full screen, and then you'll see your toolbars and menus again. And that is how you can change the zoom options on Google Vids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.